In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to export a list of objects to Excel in C#. How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to learn how to export a list of objects to an Excel file in C# using IronXL. Before starting, make sure that you install the IronXL package from NuGet and set your license key at the top of your code in the program.cs file. First, we create a simple class called employee. It just contains a few property ID, name, department, salary, hire date, and these represent fields that we want to export. Then, in the program.cs file, we create a list of employees and add a few sample objects inside it so that we can test the Excel export. We need a data table to pass this data to IronXL, so we manually create a data table, add columns for every employee property, and then loop through the list and insert each employee into a new data row. This step basically converts our objects into a tabular format. After that, we create a new Excel workbook and worksheet. On the first row, we write the column headers like name, ID, department, and so on. Then we loop again and fill the remaining rows with our employee data. Once all the rows are filled, we save the file as employee report.slsx, and that completes our first export. Now, we repeat the same idea with a second class called product. This class has more fields such as SKU, product name, category, price, stock level, last restocked, and even calculated value property. First, we fill in the dummy data for this product class, just like before. Then we create a data table for products, add all the required columns, and then loop through the product list to fill all the rows. And then this ensures every piece of product information is ready for export. We create another worksheet and write the column headers, SKU, product name, category, price, and so on. Then we write all product rows into the sheet one by one. Optionally, we can auto-fit columns for optimal display using an auto-size column method in for loop. Now, save this file as productinventory.slsx. To make the sheet more professional, you can also apply some formatting. You can make the header row bold, you can add a blue background, you can make the font white, you can apply currency formatting to the price column, and of course you can highlight low stock items using conditional formatting. This of course instantly makes the worksheet look clean and business ready. After the formatting is applied, we save the file as formattedinventory.slsx. Now let's run the application and we'll give it a moment to finish writing the data. And the files have been created successfully. So when you open them, you'll see the employee report and the product inventory exported exactly as we built them. The fully formatted file looks exactly the same as we set it, and it's ready to use. And that is how you export any list of objects to Excel using C# and IronXL. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out.